These are the threats to biodiversity that could affect all the living species, or worse, it could affect both living and non-living components of the environment. Habitat destruction, pollution, invasive species, global climate change, and overexploitation are the factors that can ruin our biodiversity. One of the factors is the habitat destruction that comprises numerous human activities such as urbanization that may cause biodiversity to decline by destroying large areas of natural habitat on which many species depend. And the next is the overpopulation. So as population increases, the disposal of waste from household, agriculture, and industry increases, and it pollutes habitat and poison wildlife. And then next is the agricultural land development that takes up 50% of all habitable land on Earth and 80% of extinction threats to mammal and bird species. Next is the logging that removes habitat from wildlife that uses trees for cover, nesting habitat, or food. So if logging occurs along stream banks, the risk of flooding and erosion increases, as these trees help to anchor the soil in place of erosion. So it also impacts climate change by increasing the amount of free carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Next is the river damming that change the way rivers function. They can trap sediment, burying rock riverbeds where fish spawn. Gravel logs and other important food and habitat feature can also become trapped behind dams. So this negatively affects the creation and maintenance of more complex habitat downstream. And then lastly, the improper use of pesticide, herbicides, and fertilizers can contaminate soil, water, turf, and other vegetation. So this can also be toxic to a host of other organisms, including birds, fish, beneficial insects, and non-target plants that can lead to direct poisoning of species and can cause major population declines which threaten rare species. That's all for my part. Thank you.